The Dremel 8255 cordless rotary tool feels as strong as a corded unit, so it handles demanding cutting, grinding, and sanding without bogging down. Its brushless motor runs efficiently and stays cooler, which translates into noticeably longer runtime and a tool that should hold up well over years of use. The 12-volt lithium-ion battery with 3 amp hours of capacity provides plenty of runtime for extended projects, and the included charger gets it ready again in a single session. A wide variable speed range lets you dial in the right speed for delicate work on wood, metal, plastic, or tile, giving you much better control than single-speed tools. Because it works with the full ecosystem of Dremel rotary accessories and attachments, this tool can cover everything from fine detail work to heavier cutting jobs with one setup. The kit includes a small set of cutting accessories plus a storage bag, so it is easy to keep the tool, battery, and bits organized and ready to grab for quick tasks.